New construction property management services with Harland Property Management, a San Diego-based property management firm. Are you developing a new community in San Diego? At Harland Property Management, we specialize in making sure your new construction project is managed seamlessly, from the early planning stages to the final walkthrough. At Harland Property Management, we start every new construction project with a well-rounded pre-lease and marketing plan tailored to your property. This helps attract the right tenants or buyers from the beginning. We also set up key maintenance and response protocols to keep your new community running smoothly. This includes organizing efficient accounting procedures, safety plans, and preparing for any potential issues. Our experienced team takes care of every detail, so you can focus on the bigger picture with confidence. Getting in touch with Harland Property Management early on can make a big difference for your project. When we connect early, we help everything run smoothly between your construction teams, city officials, and us. This also gives us a head start on marketing your project, so it gets noticed right from the beginning. Plus, it helps us get everything ready and running efficiently by spotting and solving any potential issues ahead of time. Want more information? If you're a property owner looking for more information on how our comprehensive new construction property management services can help you maximize your investment, please don't hesitate to reach out. Contact us today or visit our website to learn more. We're here to help you every step of the way.